Imagine standing in front of a vehicle carrying the iconic Mustang logo. But instead of the rumble of a V8, you hear the quiet hum of electric power. That's the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E. A bold fusion of Mustang heritage and the future of electrified performance. From the outside, the Mach-E instantly grabs attention. The sculpted hood, aggressive front fascia, and coupe-like roofline carry the Mustang DNA, even though the body leans toward a sleek electric SUV for 2026. The design gets sharper with redesigned LED lights, new aerodynamically efficient body lines, and sportier alloy wheels. There's also a California Special Edition that brings unique blue accents, gloss black 20-inch wheels, coastal-inspired graphics, and special badging for those who want to stand out, look grounded in Mustang tradition. Inside, the cabin feels futuristic and premium. A massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen sits at the center, running Ford's latest software with smooth navigation and fast responses. The digital instrument cluster replaces traditional gauges with clean, customizable displays. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, phone ASCII support, and fast-charging USB-C ports make the Mach-E feel effortlessly modern. A premium audio option adds a 10-speaker sound system, while ambient lighting and quality upholstery give the interior a warm, upscale feel. Space in the back is generous, and cargo capacity is strong, making it practical for families or long trips. Performance is where the Mach-E really shows its dual personality. It comes in rear-wheel and all-wheel drive versions with 2 battery sizes, standard and extended range. The updated motors deliver strong torque across the lineup, with entry models offering quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. The extended range versions push driving range up to around 300 miles depending on configuration, making it suitable for daily commuting and weekend travel. The GT and Rally variants offer serious punch. They deliver up to 480 horsepower and up to 700 pounds-ft of torque with performance upgrades. Acceleration is dramatic, shooting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid-3-second range. The 2026 upgrades include improved thermal management thanks to a more efficient heat pump system, allowing better battery conditioning, consistent performance, and improved cabin comfort. Charging is straightforward. The extended range battery supports fast charging that can take the Mach-E from 10% to 80% in under 40 minutes at a DC fast charger. Home charging with a level 2 setup tops off the battery overnight. It also comes with a mobile charger for convenient home use. Safety tech is abundant. Standard advanced features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. Ford's hands-free highway driving system, Blue Cruise, is available across trims and makes long freeway drives smoother and less tiring. Ride and handling see improvements for 2026 as well. The suspension has been refined with better dampers, stiffer sway bars, and revised tuning that enhances comfort and sharpens cornering. GT models feature MagneRide adaptive dampers and sportier seats, giving them a more performance-oriented feel. The Mach-E manages to carry Mustang emotion into the electric era. It's quick, confident, and athletic, yet silent, smooth, and efficient. It blends practicality with personality, offering Mustang soul without the gas-guzzling habits. Its not perfect charging speeds trail some competitors, and the surge of acceleration slows down past highway speeds, but overall, it delivers a strong balance of excitement and everyday USA bility. What makes the 2026 Mach-E special is the way it embraces its identity, part nostalgia, part innovation. It's a car for drivers who want electric performance without losing character, and a family-friendly SUV that still feels like a Mustang in spirit. It's proof that the Mustang isn't fading into the future, it's evolving into it.